带观众朋友来看个这新闻，举行3天北约峰会伫11结束，会后美国总统拜登举行记者会。这50分钟的提问时间，拜登却一直讲唔到话，甲泽伦斯基叫做是一个总统普京，副总统胡锦丽也甲人讲做是副总统川。大卡的内阁官员是拢替伊真紧张。另外，《纽约时报》也写讲，这拜登身躯边的助理和顾问也等咧参详，看安怎来考抗伊退选。
Ladies and gentlemen, President Putin. President Putin. You can beat President Putin. President Zelensky.
伫头一场电视辩论会 ，ABC 新闻专访了后，北约高峰会这场个人记者会，和拜登的团队当作是清除退选声音的关键。拜登家己开场演讲使用读稿机，其他50分钟甲记者开放性的问答拢随回答。毋过伊伫介绍乌克兰总统泽伦斯基的时阵，煞甲叫做普廷；所来伫回答记者提问的时阵，甲副总统胡锦丽甲叫做副总统川普。
What concerns do you have about Vice President Harris's ability to beat Donald Trump if she were at the top of the ticket?
Look, I wouldn't have picked Vice President Trump to be Vice President, but I think she was not qualified to be President.
对于外界质疑伊无愿意交接，拜登是讲伊毋是为了个人公业，佮讲伊成功举办北约峰会，带动美国经济甲中国国家主席习近平协谈，全力援助乌克兰，嘛尽力促成中东停火，以未输予普廷，会确保北约持续强大。
Thank you. Did you see any damage to our standing by leading this conference? Have you seen a more successful conference? What do you think? I'm not having any of my European allies come up to me and say, Joe, don't run. What I hear them say is, you've got to win. You can't let this guy come forward. He'd be a disaster.
现场记者随后形容大卡上正牌内阁官员，大家面色歹看。《纽约时报》引述知影内情的人士的消息，讲到拜登边的助理甲顾问开始考虑要安怎说服伊退选。联邦众议院有17个民主党议员出声爱拜登退选。参议院目前甲佛蒙特州参议员威尔斯一个人表态，毋过有维吉尼亚、乔治亚、华盛顿这5个州的参议员。烦恼若是去互川普选掉是要安怎？拜登记者会表现，互川普佫扣着枪，伫伊的个人社群平台大文口说：“就你做了好，佫甲拜登大字加滴滴嘟嘟的影片剪接搭起嚟。”公司新闻王慧文编译。